The fall of every company is the leader. And if the leader has ego, everyone's leaving. But if the leader is a psychopath and loves his team, and they know that you have their best interest in mind and that your dream is big enough to also hold their dream, they will die for you. I'm gonna give you the 3 steps of building a massive sales company. Step 1, you gotta become self-led. If you lead yourself, others will wanna be led by you. You can't give your team what you don't have. They need to freaking look up to you. Instead of scrolling on social media and looking for someone to watch, they need to be looking at you, okay? Step 2, once you become the leader, then they want to be led by you. You get to help them develop and become who they're supposed to be and max out their potential, which is AKA they choose you as their coach. If you're getting this right now, comment below, say, Andy, I get it. Are you ready for 3? You wanna get rich? Now those people that you led, now they become leaders, and now they will go through the rest of your company and make more leaders. So how are you talking to your team? Are you turning your team against each other? The greatest organizations, you know what they are? They're hero-making machines. Dude, anyone walks into this environment, it's just so freaking on fire, and everybody's trying to prove themselves. Winning's everything. It takes everything. Okay? You want to pull your team together? Do you have a sales meeting every morning? Is it the same bullcrap sales meeting? Are you predictable? They know what you're going to say? Come on, man. They ain't going to look up to you. They're not going to give you their best. If you have a team, if you have a company, if you have a sales team, and they're not on fire, step 1, change yourself. Okay? Step 2, go apologize to your team. Once you make the decision to change, keep your word, never change back. 2, go apologize to your team. Tell them they deserve the best. They deserve the best leader, and that's the reason why you decided today that you're gonna change your life. Ask them if they'll forgive you for not being the best leader that you should be, and tell them that they deserve it, but let them know you've made a decision to rise up and be the best. Will they forgive you? Yes. Step 3, say, guys, now that I'm gonna go on this journey and I'm gonna become a new person and I'm literally gonna become this new psycho, right? To take this company to a new level, not only in my life, but also as a leadership for you and help push you to go to the next level and max out your potential. Negative peer pressure is let's go have a drink, go to the bar, smoke some weed. Positive peer pressure is, man, let's raise our standards, make more money, go to the next level, treat people better, and kick butt. What do you think will happen? You'll rise, you told them you're sorry, they'll see you be vulnerable, you asked for permission to push them, you just got control of your company. Now, if you have the courage to do this, and you can drop your ego, okay, which ruins everything. It's the death of everything. The fall of every company is the leader. And if the leader has ego, everyone's leaving. But if the leader is a psychopath and loves his team, and they know that you have their best interest in mind, and that your dream is big enough to also hold their dream, they will die for you. So guys, if you found some value in this video right now, all I ask, there's no fee, there's no price, you don't have to do anything. Right now, hit the like button. Simple, guys. Just reach out, hit the like button. Secondly, share it with one person. Just one. Hey, you got 15, that's fine. I love that, and I love you for that. But share it with one person, someone you know that needs to hear this, okay? Someone that's a leader. Say, bro, check this out, okay? And then most importantly, okay, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Subscribe to it, because I drop the best videos in the world. I will always light you on fire, and I will give you a burning desire to want to be better every single day. And then lastly, if you have a question for me, if you need help, if you're stuck, if you need a breakthrough, or if you're just a psychopath like me and you operate from a state of madness and you're like, Andy, I want to be Coach Hard, I want to go to another level. They said that this was possible. I hit that, now I want to go here. How can you help me get there? Man, I love that. I don't care where you're at. You're new or you're the business owner. Guys, there's a link below. Click on it. Name, phone number, let me know. You know, like just basically a couple questions. I will reach out to you. We will make a game plan and we will create total annihilation. Okay? I'm all about reinventing myself daily. I'm all about total recreation. I'm a student of the game. I am obsessed. I respect the game. I love the industry. And I can't believe we're in an era right now where everyone's freaking asleep. This is our time to attack. Okay, so I love you guys. Remember, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think. And then click that link below, right, down in the description box. So that way I can jump on a call with you. Let's make a plan. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.